OnePlus Nord Buds 3 India launch is set for September 17th. The new pair of TWS will be a more affordable version of the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. The OnePlus Nord Buds 3 looks similar to the Nord Buds 3 Pro with its short stem and in-ear design. It will come in two color options, harmonic gray and melodic white. The melodic white color has an ivory-like finish, while the harmonic gray version has metallic accents. The OnePlus Nord Buds 3 is also confirmed to come with 32 dB of active noise cancellation to block unwanted background noise. It will also be equipped with BassWave 2.0. It's tipped to feature 12.4mm titanium drivers and 3D audio. The new OnePlus TWS is said to come with the TÜV Rheinland battery health certification, but details about its battery life haven't been revealed yet. For connectivity, the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 is said to come with dual pairing and Google Fast Pair. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.